With our latest version of Cintoo Connect, we now fully support the RTC360 laser scanner from Leica via the E57 export from Leica Cyclone. With this new version, your 2D panoramas in Cintoo Cloud will directly correspond to the panoramic picture taken by the device, and you will no longer experience dark edges that appeared in previous versions. Our online documentation is now directly accessible from within the Cintoo Cloud application. When exporting your structured E57 from Leica Cyclone for your registered RTC360 scans, please make sure that you follow the instructions listed in our online documentation, as shown here. The new Users and Permissions set of features allows you to set your list of users, groups of users, or custom roles for the whole account. These features are accessible to account admins, co-admins, and project managers. By creating groups of users, this will make it easier to invite a large number of people to various projects and to assign them with the exact same permissions. With each project manager or co-admin seeing the other project managers or other co-admins groups, the management of those groups becomes much easier. Now, custom roles created by any project manager or co-admin will also become available to anyone having to invite a new user with this specific custom role to a project. Cintoo Cloud's new measurement tool makes it much easier to pick the right 3D points needed for any measurement. You will now notice that we have a disc that adheres to the surface of the mesh, ensuring you are selecting the appropriate location. We recommend using the 3D surface display mode to make the most accurate measurements. The new measurement tool will also give you the X, Y, and Z distances as well as the angle from the XY plane. You can now pick any 3D point in the 3D view and get the XYZ coordinates of this point. These XYZ coordinates are ready to be pasted in any text or CSV file. You can now select either a perspective camera or an orthographic camera in the 3D view. In addition, you can also select any predefined viewing angle between top, bottom, front, left, right, or back. We continuously improve Cintoo Cloud's mesh unification algorithms. Our latest version provides much better quality 3D unified meshes by filling holes and removing spikes. The process is still the same. You will need to define a crop area, select the mesh density, and then the export format between FBX, OBJ, or SDL, and run the unification process in the cloud. Once the mesh data is ready, you will be notified by email and you will be able to download the mesh from your Data tab. Please note that your crop must be limited to 100 scans with this beta version. Again, make sure to read the various sections related to the unified mesh in our online documentation before testing by yourself. Please give it a try and let us know how it works for you. You can now enrich your notes, private notes, and issues with as many labels as you want. Those labels may correspond to the type of equipment, the type of process, the type of material, etc. Those labels are then used to search for a specific note, private note, or issue. In addition to exporting issues as BCF, we now offer the ability to integrate Cintoo Cloud with BIMTrack, a leading issue tracking platform. Issues created in Cintoo Cloud by comparing scans to BIM, for example, can now be pushed and/or synced with BIMTrack. The goal is to make sure that you take the best of your laser scans in your QA/QC process when you need to compare your as-built to your design intent, and to make sure that those issues are part of the whole BIM coordination process. Please make sure to read the complete dedicated section in our online documentation. We have also run a 50-minute webinar on this very topic, and you can watch that from our website in the Learn/Webinars section. There is more to come in the next few weeks. We are now working on various features to facilitate navigation while in scan mode, such as a mini-map and scan icon filtering, and so much more. So stay tuned, and thanks for using Cintoo Cloud.